Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your gas tank. Cut off the old Crossmember using a grinder or plasma cutter. Step 3. Clean the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Measure off the installation zone by referencing the nearby frame holes and mark off the area of the mounting plates on each side of the vehicle. Tack weld the plates and confirm their location before fully welding them into place. Step 4. After pushing the part into place, tack weld the part onto the frame, then weld the part on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer to help prevent against any further corrosion. Reinstall your gas tank. Then you're done!